We will be showing you how to install a wireless charger for your E46. The steps in this video are intended for automatic E46s with very minor differences for manuals. As a reminder, have a professional install the unit, and when doing any electrical work, remember to unplug the battery. Before we get started, you will need the following. You will need the unit itself, a Phillips screwdriver, electrical tape, and trim removal tool. Start by removing your cup holder and coin holder. Place your cart in neutral. This will give you more working space. Pull on the shifter boot and unplug the shifter indicator cables. Now remove the shifter trim from the boot. To remove the center console trim, remove the two screws and unplug the window switches. Remove the sunglass holder by applying some force. Finally, to remove the radio mounting bracket, remove the screws at the bottom, the two on top, and place the bracket to access the cigarette lighter. At this point, you may also want to route the harness through the left side for a cleaner install. Next, we take the wireless harness from the wireless charger and route it to the left side of the console. This step does require some patience. To connect the wireless charger harness, disconnect the brown negative plug and connect the black cable from the harness and reconnect the negative plug. Next, remove the red positive plug and connect the red cable from the harness and reconnect the positive cable. After connecting the harness, it is recommended to add electrical tape to the brown negative cable to avoid shorting any cables. Now plug in all the cables and reinstall everything in the reverse order. Finally, replace the coin holder with the wireless charger, reconnect the battery, and test the unit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact us at 76designs.com, and also make sure to follow us on social media and share with us how your wireless charger looks in your E46.